Welcome back to another great episode of the Art of Shitboxes. All right, it is day 3 of the Christmas break rush. So I literally have a week and a half left until I have to go back to work. We still got a good amount ahead of us. NC, she's ready for second prime. Dan's car is looking pretty good. I need to finish a little bit of body work on this fender here. We've got like a few spots around from the first run of body working primer that needs a little bit more glaze just to raise some areas. We got to sand everything, hopefully get both these cars primed out again today and all the other parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and change and get to work and finish sanding up all this shit. Ugh, so much sanding. Not the most exciting part of this build at all. Come along, join. It'll be super fun. You can watch me suffer. I know how much people love to watch people suffer. Sanding is so exciting. All right, first batch of exterior parts are ready for prime. My bumper, Dan's bumpers. There we have it. Just like that, Dan's car is seal primed and ready for the last barrage of sanding with 600 grit and 320 grit. Day 5, Christmas break rush. It is Christmas Eve. Dan's Miata is primed and sealed. Dan's Miata is pretty much ready to go. All right, Dan's parts are all set up, ready to go. We're gonna try out the new base coat and clear coat guns. Pretty psyched about that. Dan did a great job of prepping everything. We got everything in here, cleaned the booth out as best as we could. I'm gonna go suit up and clean these off with the greaser and tack cloth them and start applying base. Part 1 of paint is done, and I gotta say, I'm impressed with the DV1 gun so far. It put the base coat down very smoothly, had no issues. I would definitely say the DV1 clear coat gun definitely puts down some smooth ass clear coat. There is that panel's glass as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, there's no orange peel in that. The top looks solid. Little, ever so little bit of orange peel. This is like barely noticeable. Dan, what do you think? Was it worth the time and effort? Yeah. I mean, Mariner Blue's not personally my choice or favorite color, but it definitely stands out right now. It's got the look. All right. There you have it. Phase 1 of paint done. Now for a 2-day break. I'm gonna go get shit hammered with my friend Clint. Welcome back to the SHITBOX garage. It is post-Christmas and we got a lot of work to do still. Alright, I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of out of it right now. You ever take a morning coffee shit so aggressive that you just kind of question the boundaries of reality in general? That's kind of where I'm at right now. There's a lot of holiday food, I guess. Just comes out all at once at one point. You're like, oh, okay. I don't know if I lost my soul or not there just now. But anyways, I'm about to go in, start phase 2 of the paint, get the insides of the doors, the fenders, all that, the outer skin of the trunk, and the hood. That leaves only the outsides of the doors and the chassis tomorrow, and then we are done painting. Phase 2, complete. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm becoming more and more of a believer in these DeVilbiss TV1 guns. I've achieved almost an absolutely perfect finish on the hood and the trunk. I haven't painted this smooth in a long time. And yeah, there's almost no orange peel on this hood. Like this is glass. I mean, I thought it was a ludicrous amount of money to spend on 2 guns that I barely use, because I don't really paint that often anymore. I paint like maybe 1 or 2 cars a year, tops. I don't even see myself doing that in 2022 in all honesty. But I guess it doesn't hurt to have the right equipment. Day 8, the holiday project rush. My, how far we've come in so little time. And I'm still behind now, technically. Dan's on his way here. I'm not caffeinated yet, so I'm gonna go over here and have my 3-day-old coffee. Cold brew, you can't go wrong. It's fine. It's like 30 in here. I highly doubt anything's formed in this cup of coffee. Today, we finish up the chassis. So strap in and get ready for another episode of The Art of Shitboxes, because we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna paint that little shit. We're gonna be done with painting it. We'll give you an update later. It's time to start doing some shit. And phase 3 is complete. That's it. We got all Dan's shit painted. Surprisingly, it actually took all day to do this again. I had hiccups on this quarter panel at first, like a base coat. The other quarter panel had like a base coat run, which I've never actually done. And honestly, the base, for whatever reason, even though it's like 80, 90 degrees in this booth, supposedly, took forever to try. I got to give it like 10 to 20 minutes of flash between each coat. Oh, look at that. That was a little itty bitty run, but that's fine. She looks good. Very, very smooth. Glad this is over. I'm hoping my NC goes as smoothly. You know, I really can't complain. Of the 3 days we painted, only one of the days presented any kind of problem, so that's good. Yeah, let's take a look at the finish. Yep. Little bit of orange peel on the side, but I've never been able to get like full mirror surfaces on a side. We went a little in here. We got way down here. We got everything we could. Oh. Yeah, she looks good. She looks real good. What do we got? How do the doors look? The doors look like glass, so that's nice. Finished perfectly. A few little nibbins here and there, I think. One little nib, two little nib. I'll take it. It's not that bad. This one seems like it's... Fuck. This one's damn near glass. Alright, well. Dan's car is officially done, painted, and Dan's got a long couple of days ahead of him getting this thing back together. And I'll be here to help him. I'm actually psyched for him to put this thing together. It's snowing right now, though. It's currently snowing outside. I was not aware of that. There's that. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed watching me restore Dan's Miata for him. With a lot of help from him. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, more to come. Hit like and subscribe.